Hey guys, I'm starting off with my eyebrows already done. And I filmed this backwards. I'm going to use the Moroccan shade out of the Nubian 2 palette, but I'm going to prime my eyelids first using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey. So now I'm deepening the crease with the color Zobo from the Masquerade mini palette, and after I do that, I'm going back in with the Morocco shade to blend it out, and then I'm going to go in with the Sokoto and Jamelia shade from the Saharan palette and just to further blend that out and give it a little bit more orange. And guys, I'm so sorry for how I sound. I'm very sick. I've been sick for the past like 2 weeks, so just please bear with me. I know I sound very raspy. And I almost forgot, you guys, I do have milk of magnesia on my face. So now I'm going in with the shade Bori from the Masquerade mini palette, and I'm putting it right on my eyelids. And as you guys can see, these colors are very pigmented. I do recommend everyone go get these palettes. So doing your makeup, you always want to make sure you always go back with the last color, and you always just blend everything out so that everything looks seamless. So guys, I did delete the clip on accident, but I went ahead and put some white eyeliner on, and then I'm just going ahead and put my lashes on. And then I'm just going ahead with some mascara on my top eyelashes just to blend my eyelashes with my falsies. And I also deleted the clip where I did my foundation. But I'll have an updated foundation routine for you guys, like just a whole face routine. But I highlighted my face using that same LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. And I contour my face using an ABH Contour Palette. So I'm going ahead and using my Real Techniques beauty sponge to blend out my highlight only. I don't blend out my contour with my beauty sponge. I use the brush that I did my foundation with, which is my Real Techniques base brush or something like that. But yeah, I'll have it in the description box for you guys. And now here I am setting my under eyes using a Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 30. And now I'm using my Black Radiance Contour Palette and contouring my face. And now to sweep away all that excess powder, I'm using the middle shade in that contour palette and just wiping it across where I bake my face. And right here, I'm just contouring my nose. So now I'm just taking that same brush I did my foundation with and just making sure that everything is blended. And then I'm taking that same purple shade and I'm putting that under my eyes for like that little smoky eye effect. So now I'm just going to put some mascara on my bottom lashes. So now that I'm almost done, I'm using my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray and my Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray, and I'm just setting my face with both of those. So right now I'm taking this Covergirl highlighter and I'm just adding that to all the highest points on my face, which are my cheekbones, the tip of my nose, my cupid's bow, and a little on my forehead. And then after this, we're going to jump right into my hair. I'm using my Biosilk and I'm just putting that all throughout my hair and brushing it out and all that good stuff. And right here, I'm using Kaleidoscope's Miracle Drops, just putting it on my edges. So I really was just going for like a wavy look. Like this is body wave hair, so it already had a wave. So I was just trying to put those waves back into it. I wasn't necessarily going for like specific type of curl. So I'm not going to really talk throughout me doing my hair. I just did regular wine curls and that's it. Okay guys, this is the finished makeup and hair look. I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye! So guys, this is the finished product. No one's seen that. Product, my makeup, my hair, and outfit. Now I'm ready to go.